Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Karol Azra bin Khalid. Today, I want to talk about the requirement of good programming language. Before I start to continue into this topic, let me simply explain about what is programming language. Programming language is a computer language programmers use to develop software programs, scripts, or other set instructions for computers to execute. Each programming language has its own syntax. Now, let's get started to go deep into this topic. There are major differences between human language and programming language. As we can see clearly, programming language use syntax and semantics in executing an instructions. On the other side, human language are expressed by words, gestures, and expressions. Now, what do good programming language look like? What kind of properties do they need to have? In my opinion, the first properties of good programming language is simplicity. For example, code simplicity refers to the method by which you may make your code more stable and long-lasting by making it easier to comprehend and modify in the future. Effort reduction is the most essential thing we can accomplish. Just take a look at the code and see whether it's complicated. If it is, make it easy for us right now and you will save a lot of work in the long run. Here is the difference between two programming languages. We can see from here that Python simpler than C++. In addition, simple also means easy to read, easy to understand, and correctly modify. This also depends on developer to build a program from simple language only. For example, BASIC was simple but lacked declarations and blocks. We move to the next properties, which is efficiency. What is efficiency? Efficiency in programming is the speed of software runtime execution, and algorithmic efficiency are closely related to efficiency. Well-developed programming language codes should be able to handle complex algorithms. There are some recommendations for the code to more efficiency. 1. All unnecessary code or code that goes to redundant processing must be removed. Secondly, programmers should use the best keywords, data types, and variable and other available programming concepts to implement the related algorithm. An easy example here is from Java language. Between bubble sort and quick sort, we know that quick sort is more efficient than the bubble sort. The third properties that I like to mention is portability of programs. In basic words, this refers to portable programming can be written once and deployed everywhere. Programs need to be able to be run on any platform. In this context, portability means that the same program can be run on any of the supported platforms without the need for additional modification. Since the same Java code can run on both Linux and Windows, this is a good example of cross-platform functionality. Certain types of software have a reputation for being less portable than others. Assembly code is an example of non-portable software. Here is the situation that need to be avoided by any programmer, so make sure it can be cross-platform. Getting forward in these discussions, I also like to mention that security is very important property in programming language. When a software developer creates code, they must take into account a wide range of factors, code optimization and efficiency, as well as ensuring that the code is secure. Secure coding programming language may prevent many cyber attacks from occurring by eliminating the vulnerabilities that many exploits are based on. In order to make sure the code is secure, the code must securing data protection and good in handling logging error. Data can be leaked if this is not properly coded. This is a critical area in programming as a programmer. A good programming language requires orthogonality feature. Orthogonality can be defined as a property that allows an operation to change without changing and affecting others. In other words, orthogonality means changing A does not change B. An example of an orthogonal system would be a radio, where changing the station does not change the volume and vice versa. It is associated with simplicity. The more orthogonal the design, the fewer exceptions. This makes it easier to learn, read, and write programs in a programming language. An orthogonal feature meaning is context independent. The critical characteristics are symmetry and consistency. These properties can help make even complex design compact. For example, in C language, you can't return an array, static array here. C language is said to be unorthogonal in this case. In Java, it supports orthogonality as it allows programmers to combine public and static methods so that these both not interfere with each other. That's all for now. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you get some knowledge from this video. See you again. Bye bye.